May diet? Wala. Kumakain ako ng kung anong meron. Pero siguro yung pinaka-effort ko sa pag-diet is my shirataki rice. Parang ang tsaka ng makeup ko today. It's not giving Thanksgiving. Alexa, drink water. Oh my God, thank you. Maraming salamat sa pagpapaalala. Oo nga, tama ka. Iinom ako mamaya, promise. Paalala mo ulit, pwede. Andun yung water ko, ingat naman ako tumayo eh.
Ay, nakita ko yung story na sinasabi mo sa Mega Mall, yung awa.
Oh, wala? Yeah.
Daming tao.
Oh?
Haba ng pila.
Baka when you went there, parang first day niya pa lang. Kasi I went there din naman. Sucks lang.
Oh, you can't mention brands.
Oh yeah, okay lang.
Sorry.
It's okay. Ang hirap pakisamahan nito.
Oo.
Magtatanong, tapos di ko pwede sagutin. Tapos pag di ko sinagot, sabihin, nag-gatekeep ako. Eh, paano yun? Mag-noseline tayo para masaya. Uy, si Miss Babe. Uy, Philippines. Ay, hello Team Raisa. Nakalimutan ko, dapat yun ang opening ko eh. Hello Team Raisa. That I wanna be with you.
Every single day for the rest of our lives.
Hello Team Raisa, yes, hello.
So I'll take out my own notebook and I'll put this in right.
That I wanna be with you.
Every single day for the rest of our lives.
Sana all. Ang title ng kantang ito ay Be With You by The Ridleys.
We'll make a space for all the kids you know. It's easy for, but if things don't happen right away.
That's okay, but I wanna be with you.
Every single day for the rest of our lives.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, then we will put Blush, the dog. Where's Blush?
You've changed since you met me, and I feel I've done the same. But I'll change for the better, and you're the one to blame. 'Cause when
Did you go to their concert? No. Recently ko lang sila na-discover eh. I'm late to the party. Jesus Christ!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, no! Hindi ko pa ito nababagsak. Oh
Pero siya
my
nadipan on
goodness.
its own.
Oh, buti buo. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. Please, hindi ka pwede masira, mahal ka. Kang ano? Nakakaloka. Ikaw lang nagme-makeup sa sarili mo ngayon. For today. Biglaan lang kasi ito eh.
Alexified, hashtag.
Touched by Alex. Less of a storm. Nakakayak. Hey, dumikit ka please. Please, please, please. Nakakaloka ka.
Ba't hindi napasok?
Kaya nga. Well, I've never dropped this.
Ngayon mo lang in-open from the trip?
Yeah.
Ah, baka sa luggage mo?
Hindi, naka-ano to. Hand carry ko to eh.
Ah, okay, di ba?
So wala talaga siyang karapatan.
It's our own in the body that's not weak for you. Well, if you find them, let me know. Can still feel the way you're holding up to you.
I just had my hair colored the
Oo,
other
eh,
day.
notice ko, nag-dark siya. Saan to?
Which is weird kasi sabi ko lighter gusto
Ah,
ko.
lighter gusto ko.
Pero kasi daw mag-fade pa nga kapag
Yeah,
naligo ako.
pag nawash out.
Say, you never put your love in my brain, just so I know that way down by your beautiful, collapsing underneath your perfect, drowning in your wonder.
Itong playlist na to pang in love kasi ito eh. Wow.
Letting you sink in it's so
The number one hairstylist. Yes, Brian yan for you. That's
Oo,
Brian for
feeling ko
you.
friend ko na naman yun. Sino yan?
That's Brian Eusebio for you.
I'm number 1 in Project 6. Kasi ako lang yung freelance hairstylist sa Project 6.
Alexa, you have cowlicks. I know! This stupid cowlick. Why the hell, di ba? Bakit?
Ano yun?
Puyo. Yung puyo ko ito. Epal.
Kaulit pala tawag.
Oo, kaulik. Nakakairita sobra. Kaya hindi ako pwede mag-bangs eh. Nakakairita sobra. Pero pwede naman daw masolusyonan yan. I just have to have my hair relaxed.
Alam mo, hindi siya binigay ni Earl lahat.
Hindi.
Yung ibang magaganda
Ba't binigay niya kay Marian? Binigay niya kay Liza.
Kay
Binigay
Liza.
niya eh. Binigay niya eh.
Binigay niya sa
touch me that way, just know I know we'll be the same.
Have you seen your billboard sa EDSA? No, hindi pa ako lumalabas actually. Can somebody... Ay, wala nga pa akong Twitter. Napaka-basic. I don't know how to see it. I don't have Twitter. IG story? Can somebody IG story me? Please?
Your billboard din, sa?
May billboard daw kami ni Jello sa EDSA eh.
Nino?
Ni Jello.
Oh, yung chambermaids.
Hindi yata chambermaids yun eh. I'm actually not sure. I'm suffering inside your
Selfie kayo ni
magic.
Jello.
Selfie! In-upload sa billboard.
Yes, nagrenta siya dun sa
Oo.
mamahaling space ng billboard.
For chambermaid. Tama, for chambermaid nga to.
Oh.
Talaga? Paano ko ba makikita? Paano ko ba makikita, guys?
There's nowhere. Mostly si Guadalupe lang yan.
How to see? How to see? Search ko sa Twitter. Wala kasi akong Twitter eh, pero pwede naman siya i-search, di ba, sa hashtag. Ayun! Nakita ko na! Guadalupe nga.
Yeah, Guadalupe.
I want a copy naman. Ninangs of Jelex. Can you please tag me on IG story, please? So I can restory.
You're perfect. Drowning in your wonderful. I'm dead in your sinking air.
It's almost unbearable.
I'm suffering inside your magic.
God damn, that highlighter. Blinding.
Love you something terrible. I'm
Do you see that? Do you see that highlight? Do you see it?
I'm letting you sink in.
Gorgeous. Hindi na lang ako haharap para makita niyo yung highlight. You guys want the playlist? Naka-private kasi yun eh. Sige, I'll turn it public. I don't know the font of lens talaga. Soft Kiss. Yan, hindi yan brand TikTok ha, hindi yan brand. Soft Kiss. Mull it over. Swan ba yung ano? Wait, let me check. No. This looks like a fox to me. Fox. Okay, now we're gonna put Egyosal. I really suck at doing Egyosal, but I will try. Let's stare at each other, fall in love. Dun, dun, dun.
Ayan.
Soy feliz también. Eso te quiero. Soy feliz también. Gloss. Open. Pag yellow basket, ganda ko marunong eh. Ano ba yun? Can I have with you? There's nothing more that I do. Egyosal complete. Kailangan ko pa matuto talaga. Siguro hindi ko tama rin. Sige na, magmamaskara na ako. I love this song. I am done. I am done. This is it. Hindi ko po alam yung name ng... Sorry, Bel. Hindi ko alam yung name ng lens ko, guys. Kasi binigay lang to sa akin. Hindi na siya nakabalot nung binigay sa akin. Nakaganito na siya. So, hindi ko na alam. Sorry! Can I have that day with you?
Hindi ko pa iniwanan siya. Bago ako lang, ayaw mo sa'kin. Kahit di ba rin sa'yo lumitaw baliti sa'kin.
Happy.
Kung pinatsaw ay naman ako sa sila. Sa dulo
Shade sa Ekyosal Pencil. Saan ba makikita? Hindi ko. 14. Peach Bloom. Binigyan mo ng katuparan. Be With You ang singer is The Ridleys. Teka lang, kasi private ang playlist na to. Wow. Pero sige, wait lang. Mamaya ko pa siya isi-set. Oh. Ano ang inspo for today? Wala. Wala naman.
Hi! Good afternoon. Kamusta?
Mami, I'm live on TikTok ah. Just letting you know. So this is how it looks. So wonderful.
So wonderful in your dress.
I did it like that.
The way you moves on the side of your neck. Then you show it back. We got surrounded by all of these lies.
People told me you got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one
Knows anything
but us. Should this be the last thing I see?
I want you to know it's enough for me.
So that you are all that I'll ever need. So in love. Saan ka sa Quezon City? Secret ko.
So in love.
Anong song yung kay Adi? Panatag?
So beautiful in this light. Silhouette of me. The way it brings out blue in your eyes.
It's the Tenerife Sea. All of the voices surrounding us here fade out and you take breath.
Just say
Nasaan na yung ribbon nitong ano mo? Nandito sa right, diba?
Ha?
Yung ribbon nung shirt mo,
Yeah.
nasa right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pero pwede naman tayo maglagay ng hair sa harap. Tapos yung ribbon mo naman, yung ribbon sa hair naman.
Sige.
Kasi ito yung kabila yung mas angle mo, diba?
Yeah.
So I can't, parang, hindi ito yung maano ko. Pero ito yung mas nakabagsak.
Pero mag-center tayo, no?
Oo.
so in love.
Love, so in love. Lure me in, darling. Lure me in, over me. Lure me in, darling. Lure me in, over me. Lure me in, darling.
'Cause you let your arms on and I'll have these.
So in love.
So in love. So in love. So in love. So in love. You look so wonderful in your dress.
I like your hair like that. The way I wanna do that.
Kaya sa'yo nakatak to isa. Naka-ano to isa.
Nakatop?
Tapos ito yung isang braid na marami dito.
Hmm.
Or, bansak lang. Pero meron lang yun. Tapos, yung mga ribbons.
Parang bagsak lang.
Bagsak lang.
Faces in this blue. Day to day it fluctuates. He loves me. She loves me. Yes. You love me. You love me. Baby, the best part of me is you. Baby, stay. And never forget. Always 30 minutes behind. He loves me. Yes, I'm fixing the playlist that you are asking for. Kabog, atake ang Brian Eusebio.
Sino na naman?
Sabi ni Mr. Green Tea.
Ah, my friend. Hello. Ito na lang ako, friend. Lost na ako.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, ayan na po yung playlist, mga friends of the universe. Oh. Oh. Baby, I'm so in love with you.
Pwede ba?
Okay na. Sipag naman ng Brian Eusebio. Ibang tao na yun.
Sino lang?
Hindi ko lang nakita
Ay,
yung...
mga yun.
Sa Spotify, i-search nyo Alex Way. Tapos makikita nyo na siya doon. Si Alex Way. ALXWAY. And then you will see my playlists. Ito yung heart.
Kupitin ko na lang. Gusto mo yung manipis or itong yun? So siguro dalawang braids. Sa isang braid mo bigyan ng dalawa. Para mag-dito.
Alam mo, sorry Marla, parang okay na ako dito.
Okay ka na? Bagsak lang.
Oo.
Kasi may ribbon din dito.
Oo. Parang okay na for a change of heart.
Sige mo. Don't change first. That is...
Mag-decide tayo kung may ribbon. Kapag nakabihis na.
Oo, pwede naman.
Si Brian naman daw ang bibirit ng Regine. Nawala na umakyat na yun. Hindi naman naka-public yung playlist. Ay, naka-private, guys. You can, ano ba? Ano ba yun? I-check kung naka-private siya. Parang it's not naman. Wala sa profile. Ah, paano? May naka-follow na nga. Ano yung wala na? Your face lights up the sky. How do I check? I don't know how to check. Pero basta yung name ko sa Spotify is Alex Way. Tapos nandun na yung playlist naka-heart. Hindi naman siya naka-private eh. Hindi naman on. Hindi, naka-public siya. Add to profile. Paano? Ayun, add to profile. Ayun na, okay na. Yan na. Okay guys, goodbye.
Please ka muna.
Alex Way, walang E. A-L-X-W-A-Y. Alex Way. Yun yung name ko. You found it? That's heart yung name ng playlist. Okay? Bye guys. Magbibis na ako at lalayas na ako dito. At inom na akong tubig. Bye!